Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, today is the month of October, as you may already know. So we're going to be doing spooky things every day out of this month. So my new one, as you can see, it is a mummy, not a daddy or a son or a daughter. It's a mummy. Thinking of that would be a fun one to do. One of a mummy, one of a daddy, and one of a son and a daughter, and maybe even a kitten or a doggy. Just being fun. So that's what's being clever and being a cartoonist and being an artist is using your imagination. So what could you do from a mummy turn into? Maybe you want to do a mummy apple. Anything that could be creatively and fun. That's what I would challenge you right now. Well, if you have your paper and pencil, I think we're ready to begin this mummy. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.